Hi all, today I'm going to walk you through project assignments as a connected organisation. So again, this is for anyone that's working with a peak body and you're using the project apps within Tidy. So first of all, what is project assignments? So project assignments is a way that you can just organize the tasks within each project. So you're giving clarity to everyone involved within your organization. So the task can be directly assigned to any of your roles. So again, just make sure your roles are all up to date and all your admins are assigned to those roles. So just head back to one of our other tutorials just to see on how to do that. So another part about this project assignment is it reduces the noise of notifications. So instead of all your admin team receiving every notification about the project, only the right people are getting the notification for that particular task or that particular project. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to head over to this projects page here. For this example, we're going to head to 2025 Club Accreditation Program. Now you may see that the overview page has recently been updated. So you'll see the owner, so your peak body will display here, and then whoever's managing the project, so the contact will display here. So Melanie from the peak body is looking after this project. Now you'll see this little part down here called assign to. So assign to, you can assign admins within your organization now. So if I click add, you can actually assign, so we could say Jasmine and Nat, the presidents, are responsible for this project, or we could say it's them, it's also Jason, and it's also Kelly. So what we're going to do for this one, I'm just going to assign Kelly and add. Now you'll see that Kelly is now assigned to this project. You can click these three dots and click remove, or you can also add another admin as well. So we might add Sarah here. So we've got Sarah, the treasurer, and Kelly, the secretary, who have been assigned to manage the project for your organization. So that also means if there's any updates, any task notifications, Kelly and Sarah, they're going to receive all the notifications. Now, I'm just going to step back and remove Kelly and Sarah. So we'll step back and remove them. Ooh. Like so. Now we'll head back over to tasks. So you can do it at project level or you can do it at task level. So task level, you can see unassigned, unassigned, unassigned. Now, you might want to say attend info session. Okay, that's actually the president's role. Upload 2024 AGM minutes. That might be the secretary's job. And then review our media policy. If you've got like a media manager, it might be their role. Or, you know, an admin person or so on. And then ensure all coaches complete online safe sport. If you've got a health and wellbeing officer, you might add them here. Or maybe your administration manager, or, you know, your president might be doing a lot of these tasks as well. So what you want to do is you click in, you click edit task, and then you'll see this assigned to. You start typing the role, so president. So we've got two people as presidents. And now we'll go through and we'll just assign the vice president here. And then this one, we're going to edit task. And then we're also going to add our treasurer. And then the last one, I'm just going to do our secretary. All right, cool. So now, you know, all these 4 tasks within this project, everyone's been assigned. So you can see Kelly, Sarah, Jason, myself and Nat, we're all assigned for different tasks. So it's our responsibility to ensure the answers are sent back to our peak body. Now, the good thing about this is basically this one here, ensure all coaches complete online safe sport. Let's just say a discussion, so a message comes through from your peak body about this task. Only Kelly's going to receive the notification, so the rest of your admin team will no longer receive all those notifications related to this task because Kelly is now looking after that task. She's been assigned to it. And then that will be the same for all these other tasks as well. So if there is no one assigned to it, so I'll just step back. I'll remove Kelly from this one. I'll update the task. This one's now unassigned. So if any notifications come through, then all your admin team are going to receive a notification unless if we step back to the overview, you have someone assigned here. So let's just say Kelly is assigned to this project. So if there's no one assigned here, but there is someone assigned at project level, then Kelly will get that notification as well. So we've also got that fallback there. Then again, if no one's assigned at project level, we fall back to everyone at your organisation that's an admin will receive the notification. So really highly recommend using project assignments and assigning your committee members to the project level or task level. Task level is a good way as well because, you know, if you come into this section here, tasks, you go to all tasks, so you can see everything at your club or organisation level. You can actually see which ones have been assigned and which connected projects it's for. So you can see the vice president here has been assigned for this 2025 connected project, and this is what they're responsible for, and that's what date's due. So yeah, this is a really good tool to use as well for looking at your overview of tasks. Also, when you do go and assign a task to someone, they'll receive a notification to say that a task has been assigned to them in their email, so they can review it as well. Thanks for watching.